I've got to show you this. I mean, seriously. Craft storage. I promised I'd show you when these clips and things came for little bottles and stuff. Now, excuse the mess going on over here. I'm in the middle of a project. I'm busy making stuff and the doorbell rings and it's the postman and he's brought me these. And these are amazing. This is the firm that's made them. And this is the one that I mentioned previously. I'd spoken to and said, could you make these a little bit smaller? Because you'll see the problem. I've got lots of bottles that will fit in these perfectly, but our little alcohol ink bottles, they're too big. Now if he can make us some of these, the right size for our alcohol ink bottles. I've also got, look, as well, look. I mean, this is a little pot of miniature size of Apex resin. But I think our little, oh look, hang on, will that fit? No. Wait, I know what'll fit there. Look, these little pots like these. We've got lots of little pots like these, haven't we? With our mica powders and things in. Anyway, yes, the way these work, you put your clips on the back, like so, and they fit really tight. These are going to go nowhere once they're on. They're actually quite difficult to put on, because they fit so tight. It's been measured to perfection. They're a 3D printed thing again. There's some brilliant 3D printed solutions for various things out there. But these just go straight onto those IKEA pegboards. I don't know if they work with ordinary pegboards or not. But of course, look. And you can just keep going, one after the other, after the other, after the other. They are amazing. Now, I've put one on my board already. I'm going to put the rest up and I'll show you. So, look at that. And these bottles, these are stickles and things like that. The Dovecraft 3D paints. These must be the sort of size that the model makers do bottles with. Look, what I'm trying to say is these fit perfectly. Now if he can make us some that these little bottles fit in as well, that would be amazing. And to save you some pain, if you get these, assemble them first, put the little clips on the back, and then start at the bottom on the right and work up and to the left. And the reason for that is they just all fit neatly on top of each other and just keep going. I'm just going to go and order some more. I think my shelves might be about to end up being all moved around. And look at this. The clips I had before, they're really good, I have to say. Look at these new ones. No wasted space. They all go right next to each other. I mean, I might be able to move some of these up to get a similar effect. I don't know. Because I think those two could be closer together if I really wanted. But look at those. They're great. Isn't that brilliant? So what I'm looking at now is this board here with all these on. Those are really good. But if I can get them like those to go with these bottles, that'll be even better use of space. So yeah, I'll keep experimenting. Before anybody rushes out and buys these ones, take a look at these, and I will talk to this chap. I'll send him the dimensions of the little ink bottles, because I think once we've got those and the other ones that we can already get hold of for the size of the mica powder bottles, by golly, we've got some good storage. Anyway, yes, I'll keep you posted. Just had to show you that. That is genius. Look how they're angled out from the wall. So it'll hold a whole load a lot more close together. Isn't that great? Right, watch this space. I'll let you know if there's any further developments. I hope this was a helpful video, and I will leave you links for everything below, of course. So I'll see you for the next one.